gentlemen, thanks for coming out on this sunny morning. They say the sun shines on the righteous, so it's out there today. Well, your favourite pantomime villain, Chris Graney, couldn't join us today, which is a bit of a shame, so you got me instead. What I want to tell you today, as well as bringing solidarity and greetings from my members engaged in the struggle, is that you can make a difference. You've already proven, by the way of your excellent campaign so far, that you're making a difference on politicians. You're making a difference on those who seek to lead this country. And you're going to keep that campaign going, and you're going to link up with groups and other organisations also engaged in the struggle. As Russell has said, we've been now engaged in the struggle since the 9th of May. And Chris Grading announced he's going to sell off the probation service. Yes, sell it off to the highest bidder. The service that you know well from your own profession is the mainstay, like you, of holding up the justice system, of trying to shape people's lives, preventing reoffending and making a real difference. And what do we get instead? A plan to sell the probation service off, split into 21 contract areas. So the likes of, before Christmas anyway, Serco and G4S, you know all about them, and put their grubby mix on it. The good news that we got is a direct result of our political campaigning before Christmas. The Serco and G4S have decided now not to bid for those contracts. And not before time. In fact, they shouldn't have been left to make that decision themselves. There was only one sensible decision for Chris Grading to make, and that was to be barred from any prospective competition in the first place. They're not fit for purpose in the probation service, and indeed any public service contract anywhere in the UK. There are others waiting to take their place. We now know there are 35 prospective bidders for the 21 contracts. That's good news in a sense. It's not enough for each of the contracts, giving a lie to the idea of competition. We also know that many of these people are also unfit for purpose, and no expertise in the field of offender management will help nurture the chaos and fragmentation that Chris Grading has already put about out there. So we continue with our campaign in the short and long term. Our campaign is not just about terms and conditions, it's about the risk to public safety. The idea that you can leave people with £46 in their pocket at the mercy of people who know nothing about offender management is a national scandal. And instead, the one service that can do something to prevent reoffending, i.e. the probation service, 10% reduction in the last couple of years, the lowest since 2007, is now going to be sent to the wind and cast out to the private sector. Not on, not good enough. And that's why we'll continue our campaign. We've taken industrial action already during the campaign. We hope there will be no need for it again, but I suspect there will be. And we expect, probably, groups like yours and ours and other trade unions involved in this struggle will need to come together more often and take that action. So I'll leave you with that short and sharp message, colleagues. Have faith, have respect for what you're about. You know your fight is right. You know we can win. Thank you.